imagined of making a chemistry lab at your own comfortable space? This is for all the chemistry, bio, and physics teachers to make lab setups in your current panel or current, wherever your classes are. So we have this interesting application called Chemix. So Chemix uses the technology of drag and drop and drawing, right? For example, if you're doing an experiment where you require certain chemistry apparatus, just click on chemistry. So here you have test tubes. So if you want a test tube with a side arm, you get a test tube with a side arm. You can clone it at any point of time. If you want a conical flask, just again drag and drop it. And if you want to place a cork, just click on your cork or a bung stopper. Here you have a bung stopper. Directly place it on your conical flask. So that way you'll be able to make chemistry lab setups directly using Chemix application. I hope that keeps your curiosity up and above. Thank you so much.